Magic Valley was started in 1937 by a group of farmers that wanted to have electricity. So they started the cooperative then. And so since then, throughout the course of the years, we've been fortunate to serve the 4 or 5 counties now here in the valley. Membership has grown, like I mentioned earlier, to over 100,000, and we've been very fortunate to have that growth. I'm from Mercedes, born and raised. I've been here 45 years now and active in the community. Worked at Magic Valley for 19 years, just completed 19 years.
We kind of have a saying here in Magic Valley that we're a family. You know, we have our families at home, but we're a family during the day because we spend most of our time together here at the co-op. You know, and I think that's one thing that we really like, that we're close. We're close. We take a lot of pride in our infrastructure of our lines. You know, we take a lot of pride there, to where if we see something leaning, something bad, you know, we take care of it ASAP. You know, we don't wait till it falls down. We don't, you know, and I think that's what separates us from other companies. Last June we had some floods, and I guess it kind of goes back to what you asked me earlier. The members, you know, we had stories, and there was a couple of members that we couldn't get to. You know, we had an issue where we had to actually bring one of our superintendents, had to bring a kayak to be able to go in there. You know, if we would have had the drone back then, we could have flown it out there, see what the problem was, and then take a different approach.
I've been here for about 12 and a half years. I told my boss I want to grow. You know, I want to do something, you know, challenge me. You know, do something different. And they told me, you know, you're a really good candidate for this. And I told them, well, let's go for it. You know, I'm good for it. You know, for whatever's coming our way. The drone, I mean, obviously, you know, we'll be able to see our system from a bird's eye view. There are places where we can't get into, like especially out in the brush country. You really can't get out of your truck because it's just dangerous sometimes.
We're glad that we were able to enter this partnership with S.O.A.R.D. You know, we went out to our training facility. We saw expanded capabilities of what we can do with the drone.
We had this line that we couldn't see it. I mean, it runs through vegetation. There's no way to walk it. The drone, I mean, when you guys took us out there, it was awesome. We were able to see everything with a bird's eye view, and it'll be very efficient for us because we have so much miles in the rural area that there's places that we can't even get our trucks in there for the same reason. You know, there's no access in there. So flying the drone out there, it's gonna really be big for us.